Good morning everyone. Welcome to Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Myself Harsh Sharma from class 8 standard A section.
Myself Swayam from class 8 district.
Today we present you our project in the category of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is the Smart Water Supply Management System. Now my friend Swayam will introduce it.
Introduction. A city grows bigger and the weather keeps changing. It's really important to take good care of our water. Old water systems don't work so well anymore. Like toys that are too old to play with.
System overview. A smart water system works like a super helper that waters water all the time and makes smart choices. It uses tiny sensors, robots and computer brains, which is artificial intelligence, to check each and every part of the water journey, like cleaning it, sending it to homes, collecting the used water and cleaning it again. It looks like all the data goes at all the time to fix the problems as soon as possible by saving energy and also by stopping the wastage of water.
Components used. Puzzle, LEDs, breadboard, jumper wires, Arduino Mega, switches, pipe, some greenery, some dust, mud, paper and cardboard. Thank you.
Now we'll explain the working of the system. Step 1. Intelligent water sourcing. Raw water is sourced from rivers, lakes, reservoirs and aquifers. Smart components like water level and flow sensors along with pH, turbidity and temperature along with oxygen sensors help monitor intake conditions. This setup prevents over-extraction and ensures that water quality from the very beginning of the cycle. Next slide. Automated water treatment. Water undergoes multi-stage purification, including coagulation, filtration, and disinfection. Smart distribution. Water is transported through a network of pipelines, reservoirs, and pumps. Smart components like water meters enable precise billing and detect leaks early. Pressure and flow sensors help identify issues and optimize energy use, making the system more efficient and reliable. Water collection. Used water is collected through an underground sewage network. Smart components like ultrasonic sensors track sewer levels and flow in real time. This prevents blockages and sanitary water overflows, ensuring a smooth and safe wastewater management. Wastewater reclamation. Wastewater is treated to three levels: primary, secondary, and tertiary. This process produces high quality recycled water which is suitable for the reuse. Smart controls help optimize each and every stage of treatment and maintain consistent output quality, ensuring safe and efficient water treatment. Next one. Strategic reuse. Recycled water is used in two main ways. Non-potable reuse is for irrigation, industrial purposes, and toilet pollution. Second, potable reuse to replenish groundwater and reservoirs. This is the systemic diagram. Here, water is drawn from the sources. Water is drawn from the sources. It is brought to the edge of the surface where it is purified. Then it is collected and sent to cities. Then the used water, which has been used in cities, industrial areas, villages, and farming lands, will get collected in the second SWA centers, where it will be again purified. Then it will be sent to an addition of nutrients so that it can be used for both basic and industrial purposes. And again, this will return to all the way like that to cities and homes. Next.
Key advantages. Smart water system can reduce water wastage by over 50%, making them highly effective and reliable, especially during droughts. This also lower energy uses, labor demands and maintenance costs by supporting a circular economy and protecting the environment. This system enables smart data driving decisions for suitable water management.
So this is the working. As soon as the water is collected from the source, it is transported after the purification, and it is also checked through the turbidity and the pH sensor to check the haziness and the alkalinity of the water. Once the water is purified, it is sent to the houses and all the cities. And